What's up, traders, and welcome to ChidoFX Academy YouTube channel. I'm so excited to have you here as we get ready for something massive. We're gearing up to 10x our progress and our profits by 2027, and I want you to be a part of this journey. How are we going to do this? It's simple. We're focusing on the absolute fundamentals, taking only the best, highest probability trades, and staying disciplined and consistent every single day. So, here is the mission for 2026. Disciplined execution, highest probability setups, weekly reviews every Sunday. This is the year we build our life-changing wealth together. So please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a single step of this incredible journey. Okay, so this is the execution strategy. Number one, we're going to master the fundamentals. That means we're going to focus on the core pillars that drive the market movement: the trend, the area of interest, and the entries. So basically, we trade with the trend and we focus on the higher time frames, make sure the trend is in sync from the higher time frames to the lower time frames. Then we target our area of interest and wait for the entry. We're only going to be taking A plus high probability setups. That means we're going to eliminate FOMO and emotional execution. If it's not perfect, we simply do not click. That means we're going to apply rock solid risk management daily, review every trade, refine the edge, and scale up size only when results prove the concept. From time to time, I'm going to be showing you my trading journal in Notion on every single trade that we're going to be taking. So that means I'm going to journal each and every trade that I'm going to be taking here in 2026. Let's go to the core pillars. That means our systematic approach to market mastery. Like I said before, the trend. Are we bullish or are we bearish? That means we're going to be aligning our higher time frame structures, and the 4-hour, the daily bias, and the weekly time frame. We're going to identify market structure on each and every time frame, and we're also going to be checking the sessions. That means we are not only going to be trading with a trend, we're also going to be trading where the masses are trading. That means the market is mostly volatile in the London and the New York session, or the overlap from London to New York session. Okay, now we're going to be focusing on the area of interest. The area of interest is a zone. This is the support or resistance zone, which is supply or demand zones. We're also going to be identifying the shifts of structures here at the area of interest, and we're also going to be looking for other confluences like the round psychological levels and the pivot points where the market is most likely to turn around. We're also going to be focusing on the entries. Execution and timing is very important. So that means while we're at the area of interest, while we have identified the trend, we're now at the area of interest, we're going to identify and wait for the confirmation for us to enter. That means we're going to enter at the break and retest, the break of structure or the change of character. We're going to define clear invalidation point. That means we're going to be clearly identifying our stop loss and our take profits right before we enter the trade. And this is going to allow us to identify our risk to reward ratio, and we're only going to execute the trade if the risk to reward ratio is greater than 1:2. So let's go on to the protection and psychology. This is the shield and the sword for a profitable trader. Risk management. Yeah, this means we're going to be positioning our trades. Risk strictly 0.5 to 1% per trade based on your plan. Never exceed this limit regardless of conviction. That means we're only going to be risking 1% per trade throughout the year. we are only going to be risking 1% throughout the year. Our daily stop loss, that means we kept our maximum daily loss at 2 to 3 risk. If hit, then we're stopping trading immediately and we leave to trade another day. That means we're going to stop trading and focus on the next trade for tomorrow. We're also going to be managing our trades, set stops beyond the invalidation points and not based on dollar amount. And we're also going to be taking partial profits and move to break even systematically. This is how you become a profitable trader. You increase size only after 20 plus profitable trades. Let's go on to the trader's mindsets. What is mostly important is focusing on executing the plan perfectly. A losing trade executed correctly is better than a winning trade from a mistake. You do not want to be the trader that wins from mistakes. That is not what we're going to be doing here in 2026. We're going to be focusing on the plan and we're going to be focusing on the process rather than the outcome. That means we're going to be ticking every one of our confluences, we're going to be journaling our trades, we're going to do everything, the pre-market solutions, the during market solutions, and the aftermarket solutions. We're also going to be journaling everything so that we execute perfectly our trades and win from perfectly executed trades, because this is what we do as a disciplined trader. We're not going to be revenge trading. That means we're going to accept losses as the cost of doing business and we do not try to make it back immediately. We're also going to be taking profits at our take profits and accepting their losses at their stop losses. We're also going to be strictly routining and journaling our trades. That means a strict pre-session routine and mandatory post-trade journal. Protect your mentality and you protect your capital with sleep and fitness. Discipline equals freedom all the time. Okay, so the trading process. Basically, pre-market, we're going to analyze the higher time frames, the key levels, and check news calendars risks before opening our charts. We're also going to focus on the scenarios, develop A or B plans. If price does X, we do Y. That means we define invalidation points clearly. That means when we reach our area of interest and price gives us a sense of structure, we take the trade if the entry permits us. If not, we watch the market and we know what to do the next time. We set alerts and use a limit or stop orders, pre-calculate risk before clicking. We're also going to manage our trades, no impulsive edits to our stop losses. We're going to trail stops to break even pay rules. We're also going to execute correctly our stop losses and our take profits. We're going to scale up. That means we're going to update, review, and record each and every trade so that we know what to do the next time. And lastly, here is the keynote of this video: Sunday market breakdown. So every Sunday we're going to be doing a live Sunday market breakdown on our Zoom meetings. We're going to do multi-time frame trend checks. We're going to do fresh areas of interest and confluences on each and every pair, and we're also going to be watching our best and favorite major trading pairs, and we're going to check every scenario and define every scenario and put a backup scenario for each and every pair, so that when price does this, we know what to do. So please do not forget to subscribe and check every video every Sunday. We're going to be dropping a video on YouTube on our Sunday market breakdown. Cheers.